And welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I'm going to do a little experiment. I'm going to do a reverse butterfly dip, and yeah, I haven't seen it done before, but it's basically the same as a reverse flower dip, but I've blocked off one of my channels. So my paint is going to flow down this cut off soda bottle bottom, and it's going to flow down these 4 channels. And then I'm going to lay down my napkin and pull up the paint. I'm going to use this spoon as well, and I'll show you how I'm going to use that as we go. But I'm going to get set up on my spinner, and I've got Payne's Grey for my base, so I'm going to put that down first. I'm going to keep a little bit for my corners. I'm just going to spread that out a little bit. Let's go a little bit more. Okay, I've just gone off that side a little bit there. And now I'm going to place my cup in the center. Actually, I might just bring it a little bit down. I want my big wings at the top, my small wings at the bottom. So I'm going to go in this order. I've got a rainbow of colors here. These are all leftovers. I have made sure though that my paint is reasonably thick. It's not too runny. Let's start with this pale blue. And I'm just going to watch how that falls. A little bit extra up the top here. So I'm starting with a light color and I'm going to end with a light color as well. And let's go, this is a metallic blue. I'm pretty sure this is Arteza's Waterfall, which is beautiful. So I'm going to use a bit of that. So my dam's working very well. I think this one is ultramarine blue. So it's nice and bright. I think this one's a little thinner. Then I've got this really dark purple. I'm not sure what it is. I think it's a bit thicker though, so that's going to help next to that thin one, I think. Beautiful colour. And I thought perhaps between my, I'm going to just do a bit more on the top, between my purple and my, it's kind of a golden reddy colour, I'm going to put straight gold. So it's kind of a between the royal colours. Another thick one here. A little bit worried about the direction that's going. Not sure why it's doing that. Maybe the way I set my canvas up. This is a sunny yellow. I think it's got a bit of azo orange and gold yellow in it. And then a light yellow mixture of colors, this one. I think that's going to do it. Just let that run down. I'm going to add a pop of gold in the middle, I think. Alright, can lift that. Okay, so my issue here is I really need that to sink in. Could pull. Let me think the best way to do this. I want my wings out this way first. Then I might work on bringing the middle in a bit. So I'm going to use the flat part of my spoon and do that. I'm just trying to create the shape that I want. And then with the bottom bits, I think I'll just do it a bit smaller. I'm just gonna create a little bit in there. Maybe we'll bring a little bit of blue in the middle. Just because it's an easier one to pour. All right. Not really sure what that's going to do. But this is an experiment. You know me, if you've watched this channel before, I like an experiment. So I think I'm going to do the dip now. Then I'm going to lay down the rest of my black. And then we'll spin it out. All right, let's lay this down. Let me get the middle in the middle. I hope this works. Give me a beautiful butterfly, please. All right, let's lift it off. Nice. And then I might use this spoon just to give me a little center. Little body of the butterfly. Cool. All right, let's put some more black around the edges. Just going to make sure the corners are done. Hope it spins out okay. Colors are pretty. All right. Just a gentle spin. I can see something in there. I'm tempted to drag that a little bit. No, let's leave it. We're a little bit wonky. body back. Might have to leave it there, bring it back to the center, because I've got it reasonably even, and then I'll just draw on some little antlers when it dries. Okay, here is the wet result, and the bits of gold are going to be nice when they're dry, and they're going to give a bit of shine. Not sure if we're going to see much of the other metallic blue, but the body of the butterfly's got a blue glow around it. Some coming down the side. I hope it dries okay. And then yeah, I want to draw some antlers on it, so stay tuned for that. I will bring you back when it's dry. Okay, so it's nice and dry now, and I want to just add in a bit of a body for the butterfly. I think I'm going to use the gold. Just start that again. Something like that. And then I just thought I would go with some blue antennae. With maybe a touch of the orange on the end. I'll make them short ones, I think. Feel like the blue, going over the blue, needs just a little bit of a shadow. How can I do that? Or do I add some yellow towards the end? Cute. I like that. I don't know whether to get like just a tiny little dark blue, just so that we can see that antennae just a fraction better. There we go. So subtle. Okay, here is the final result. And I did the body in the gold paint, which looks quite good. There is a little bit of shine in the blue from the waterfall paint, the Arteza. The purple just gives that little slight hue, especially in this section down here. Yeah, love the colours. This would probably look good with a coat of gloss varnish. The dots here that came up from the gold, they are very reminiscent of a butterfly, I think. So yeah, it's a good one to experiment with. I hope you enjoyed that one, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I shall see you all in the next one. Bye.